All right. Hey, let's tell. Come up. All right, we're going to this tunnel that we saw over here. It's it's a very big. Looks pretty big. It's a sewer, not a tunnel, but still. It's over here. Let me flip the camera so you can look up front. Let me show you where the bumps are. They're right here. Oh. Jesus Christ. Alright. Yeah, I have to pause it. Here, take my phone.
Alright, he's coming down. Let's go. There's a creek back there.
I'll have to go first because I'm the only one with the lights.
No, let me go first.
I'll let you go first?
Yeah.
I'll like turn on my light before we get in there, so then. Oh, it's already getting cooler. Alright, here we are. Oh, what happened? You good? Are you good? Alright, we're waiting for him over there. Yeah, here, let me get near the tunnel. Very cool. I can feel it. I can feel how cold it is in there. It's crazy.
Shred a whole layer off my hand.
Oh, shoot. Alright.
Oh, it's so nice of you though. Dude, yeah, it lost traction because there was water.
Yeah, I couldn't tell what happened, so I was screaming it. Oh, there's a gecko! Or not a gecko, there's a lizard.
So bad.
Let's name him Fred.
Oh shit, I didn't see him.
Wait, where'd he go?
Right here.
Oh, I see him now.
What the heck?
He's trying to show how strong he is.
Oh my god.
It is nice in here.
It feels nice, but my hand is warm.
There's the end of it.
Oh my god.
Someone left their windows in here. This is such a big advantage over gas-powered bikes, or else it'd be like loud in here. It's so much louder. What's up? There's like a freaking prison over there.
It's Cox.
Oh, is it Cox?
That's the
Oh, that's the building they park in it.
The car area.
That
That's where you put your cars.
This looks abandoned as heck from here.
It does. Sketchy. All right.
Yeah, let me turn around.
We're gonna keep going on the trail though.
Oh, down that. There's just a lake over there, for sure.
No, not this way. We're gonna go on the trail.
3 tires to do this, is it? I'll put you down right here. Oh. Here we go. Man, it looks nice from this angle. I'm gonna switch you guys back over. Oh. I guess we could title this Exploring Trails. Wow. Feels super nice in here.
It feels so nice. It's so cold.
Yeah.
It's like 90 outside. It's like
Yeah, it is like 90. It is like 20 in here. Well, not. I'll say like 30. 30 or 50. Or 50 to 30. I don't know. I think he's filming on his phone too. Oh, you did? That was cool. Are you talking about this path up there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Dude, I scratched the crap out of him. It was right here. That I hit that puddle and it's all slick in there.
Oh, really?
Yeah, you can see where I fell right there.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, you can see it right there, the mark.
And now my grip is almost dead.
Here, let's go look at this lake really quick. Let's see how nice it looks.
I was already over there.
You're alright, it was really slick in that. Oh. Wow, it looks nice. I don't want to get any closer just in case I fall over.
Oh, look.
What's up?
They made a little half pipe right here.
There is a little half pipe.
Yeah, they made a little half pipe.
That's insane.
That's
Hit it? That's pretty
I'm
cool.
guessing this was here before they made the skate park in here.
Yeah.
Or else why would you have this?
Sorry. You're good. I was going backwards too fast.
No, bro. I slipped so hard. Like, what the fuck is it?
Yeah, it's all algae. All right. Hey, Lois, I'm gonna show you how we get up this little thing. What? You got up there so smoothly. Here, come take my phone. Oh, he's coming back down.
Ah,
You got up there so quick.
it's not that hard.
Here, you want to take my phone for me?
Yep. Alright, no. You good?
Yeah.
What happened?
I slipped right up here.
Yeah, it's slippery.
I think I'm gonna pass you though.
Dude, it's so hot.
Let's reach right ahead.
Alright,
Part 2.
take 2 of brother trying to get up there. But I need to get up there right now. Oh, he did it. I didn't get enough speed.
You go ahead.
Back down.
Shit. It is such a tiny space here.
What?
So tiny. I don't have enough room to turn around. Oh look, here's the box right there. Oh, we got a helicopter up there. All right, we should go back. There ain't no way.
Mini bike. Mini bike. I mean, yours isn't big, but like, mine's mini.
Here, you take this for me.
Yours is small.
so I can
Mine's
turn
mini.
around. I backed into this little spot.
try to slide down here. 5, 6. Oh shit. I don't got a front brake. Oh. Wait. Oh, I have to slide down real quick. Quick fast, quick fast, hurry, hurry.
Oh. Forgot those were there. Oh, look at that wheelie.
We ended all the way over there.
Oh yeah, we did. That's where the tunnel comes out. We go in there and we go down there into there.
Jesus, it doesn't feel that long.
It doesn't.
We're going underneath all these cars.
Yeah, we really are. All right, now we're headed back. Oh, you want to try this path really quick? Probably gonna be our first long form video. Oh, it's just a place to go to the lake. Yeah, it just goes where we were. Oh, look at that wheelie. Birds flying everywhere. Creek right there. This tight turn right here always gets me. Speaking of this is a pretty long path. Here's some big foot pedal wheeling. So close to the ground. Ah. Oh shoot. All right, we're going back to the park. We're almost back. Is there anything else you want to do? Fuck. That hurt. I didn't realize how close I got to you. Oh, that hurt. Alright, well, we just got back to the park. There, I'm gonna stop for a second.